What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we have a bit of a situation. This truck is pretty much completely iced over. There's salt everywhere. Just have it inside trying to thaw it out a little bit here. And yeah, hopefully all this melts soon and I can get it washed. It's just driving me nuts. I can't take this weather anymore. While the truck's inside, over the weekend we had a little situation. We had a little bit of a can explosion in the truck. So I was driving, my girlfriend was over here, and somehow I think the can rolled and hit somewhere on the mat and then just started spraying everywhere. Watch this. We got spray here, here, here. It's on the tint. Somehow it's on the windshield. I just noticed it's all over here. Best part about it was it sprayed all over the seat. That fabric protector I put on a couple days prior saved it. As soon as it got on the seat, I actually had a microfiber in the back. I just wiped it off the seat. For that fabric protector, 2 thumbs up. However, for the rest of this, like I said, I got this sticky mess everywhere. So we're gonna use this opportunity to use our new Jax Wax Total Interior and see if we can clean all this sticky mess up. I'm gonna see if I can get some glass cleaner to clean off the tint. In my little bucket of goodies here, ceramic it's literally frozen. Fabric guard, not frozen. Where is it? Here we are. Total Interior. It's kinda icy. So let's pull this out and thaw it out real quick. I never knew. Nice. Literally, look at that frozen, frothy situation going on. This is gonna take a minute. So in other awesome news, this camera is a little jacked up. As you can see, this, that, and the other. So I do have a new one on order, which is super exciting. It's gonna definitely increase the quality of these videos. When the new one comes in, I'll show you how beat up this camera actually is, and you guys are gonna be like, how are you filming on that? It's part of the game. It's part of making videos, part of getting in on the action. These cameras take a toll, man. So that's exciting. That should be here this week. It should be here just in time for the big surprise coming Thursday. Now guys, am I the only one? But I absolutely hate spare change rolling around in my cup holders. It's just a pain. I hate change in general. That's why I hate cash. I just hate coins. And it's just a mess. So these are just gonna get removed. So guys, I'm only about here to here done. I haven't done the door panel or anything yet. But what I can say about this Jax Wax Total Interior, it's awesome. Like, there's no grease. It honestly looks like it just rolled off the factory line, and that's like key when looking for a product. Non-greasy, it's just clean. This is what I'm more amazed about. Look at, you just saw this a second ago. Look at how clean this is, guys. Awesome product. I'm gonna definitely get over there, do that side too, and clean up this door panel. That's for sure. Probably not meant to be used on tint, but we're gonna try it out. That just left a streaky mess, so we're gonna clean it with glass cleaner. Everyone asks me all the time what I use. This is actually a commercial grade glass cleaner. You can't really buy it in stores, but paper towels, because the microfiber is covered in the Total Interior, so I'm not gonna just spread it. Much better. I'm gonna be honest. This interior looks like it's brand new, straight off the factory line. It's awesome. So first of all, it cleaned up this dirty elbow print here from, you know, where I have my hand on the shifter. So it cleaned that up, which is awesome. On top of that, this dash looks brand new. Door panels look awesome. Don't mind the crap in there. I need to get that out, I know. Steering wheel, clean. This spot up here where dust just likes to sit all the time, spectacular. No more dirty knee print on the dash. Awesome. And this is my favorite part of it all. This here. You know how dust just collects in here if you guys have this center console? It looks brand new, straight off the factory line. Just looks awesome. I honestly can't wait till spring actually comes around. It's warm outside. I can give this a full detail in and out. Once the new lift goes on, I mean, it's probably not going to see weather like this ever again, that's for sure, because cleaning a powdered suspension is going to be a nightmare. So you know, springtime comes around, I'm gonna give it a full detail, get it, you know, all set up so that it'll be shining and it'll be easy to clean, even on, you know, where it's just a little dirty in the summer. But once the new suspension goes on, definitely not gonna see any weather like this ever again. So excited for warm weather in spring to come around, that is for sure. All right, so now I gotta do something that's been bothering me for the longest time. When I put the pedal commander in, I had this all tucked up and over this vent in here, but for some reason it slid over and come down, so I need to zip tie this up out of the way so I'm no longer kicking it when I push my pedal. One of my only options really is this harness here. Probably just gonna take the chunk of this and get her zip tied. Again, I cannot wait for my new camera to come because this is getting ridiculous. Another thing that I guess people don't realize is I watch, as you know, even though I make videos, I watch a lot of videos. Now I'm talking like across the spectrum, from cooking to like comedy to other auto YouTubers, and you know, I watch it all. YouTube is, you know, is my learning source. I learn from YouTube. I guess I create on YouTube and all of that. You know, YouTube is an amazing platform. To be honest, I've probably learned more on YouTube than I did my entire high school career, I can tell you that. Something I've been inspired by recently is Dirty Max Jax, if you guys watch him too, Mini Max build. It's just so, it's just something about it, because you know, it's just like I think he said, a little go-kart. It's just like a little go-kart truck. And because, you know, I've had a thought of that in my head for a while, because obviously driving this big thing around, and once it goes SEMA, Daytona like build height and stuff, it's gonna be absolutely ridiculous. I'm actually at the car wash here real quick because I'm gonna take care of all this salt. It is freezing outside. I would love to bring you guys out there, but for the sake of my skin and my hands, I'm just gonna make this really quick. Okay, I lied. This is a perfect example of why you never use these brushes. Look at all these rocks up in here. That would absolutely trash your paint, so that's a perfect example of why you never use those brushes at these power wash stations. Oh my goodness, guys. My hands are literally, you know, like, oh, they're burnt. It hurts. It honestly hurts. But yeah, I don't know where I left off because I had to wash my truck, but it's got me inspired. But not what you think. Trust me on that one. Ah, guys, look at this. It's my favorite thing ever. Look at that. just like the clean Hills green paint, like, I honestly cannot wait for like the first hand wash of the season. I'm getting really, really antsy. I know I've probably said it about 15 times, so you guys probably get it now, but can't wait. I mean, not ideal, but for sure a whole lot better than what I was dealing with before. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. It is pretty late. It's literally 11:19. I'm about to put this clip in to the end of this video. Actually, rewind that. For a whole lot better than what I was dealing with before. Dang, that almost worked. Let me fix this color balance. And there we go. So I want to say that's going to do it for tonight's video, guys. It's a little late. I'm trying to cover up this hoodie. My dad got it for me for my birthday, but it kind of gives away one of the surprises that's coming. Just bear with me here on this one. Still all snowy and cold out. Not fun, but at least the truck is finally clean. It's going to be cold the rest of the week. I mean, Saturday, Sunday and on, it'll be like 40s and 50s, but like it'll be cold the rest of the week, so technically the ice would not melt and I'd have salt on the truck the entire time. At least getting it clean today was knocking that off the list. It'll be good to go. Once it turns like 40, 50, I'm gonna get out there. I'm gonna try and get it as clean as possible, undercarriage, get all the salt off. And Thursday, it's going down. It's absolutely going down Thursday, guys. Stay tuned. I'm so excited. I'm gonna show you and tell you how long I've been waiting for this to happen. So guys, I wanna say thank you guys for watching. Thank you for your support. Like I said, I'm just gonna, this muff is in the way. Okay, there we go. There we go. You guys will know what's going on this hoodie here. Like I said, it's a dead giveaway of something that that'd be coming to the channel. Like I said, my dad got it for me for my birthday, so it's like dead giveaway, but you guys will know very soon. I want to say thank you guys for watching. Take care. Like I said, stay tuned. Thursday's gonna be crazy. New camera, just got the tracking on that Wednesday. That'll be here, so I'm excited for that as well. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for the support. If you enjoyed the video, shoot it a thumbs up. Like always, if you haven't been here before, please click subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.